Not only did we get a lot of gifts for Christmas, but Santa also brought us a very nice rally in Bitcoin. And that brings us to Cleanspark. Cleanspark company just a few weeks ago bought a Bitcoin mining company, and in the first week of running of having control in this company, they announced that they mined 10 Bitcoins in 1 week. Now, that is a lot, because with this acquisition, they increased their revenue by 50%, and that was when Bitcoin was around 20,000. Now Bitcoin is almost 28,000, depending when you are watching this. That means that this revenue shot up even higher, and it might continue to run even higher in the future, because I think that we will see a rally in Bitcoin just like we saw in 2017. I think for next year, Bitcoin will go to 100,000 before declining and consolidating around 50,000. That means Cleanspark still has a lot of room to run only on Bitcoin mining operation. Before we dive deeper, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, leave me a like or a comment, tell me what you think. Well, what kind of prices will we see in Bitcoin next year? What do you think Cleanspark will do next year? So, Cleanspark also does microgrid programming. They actually optimize grids for electricity use. Now, I think that addition to Bitcoin mining, they will also use their proprietary technology, or should we say programs, to optimize their Bitcoin mining operations so that they will see higher margins on their revenue streams from Bitcoins. That can be very, very, very profitable for them, because electricity costs are one of the highest costs in Bitcoin mining. You have the initial cost of the equipment that you use for mining, and the other one is electricity. For example, my cousin 3 years ago actually founded a Bitcoin mining operation in Indonesia, and he moved there from Europe because of electricity costs, because that was the main issue and actually deciding factor if you can be profitable or not. So if they can use their proprietary technology or programs to reduce the cost of Bitcoin mining, that can be very, 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 very profitable for them. So in addition to all of this, they have announced last week that they are going to buy another 1,500 Bitcoin mining units. This will increase their Bitcoin mining operation by 33%, meaning that they will mine about 13 to 14 Bitcoins every week, which will greatly increase their revenue. For example, they're only projecting 28 million in all of revenues from all revenue streams for next year. But I think that if Bitcoin really skyrockets to 100,000, that they could achieve this only from Bitcoin mining, and then they can earn another 20 million from their other revenue streams from the microgrid programming. So if that happens, their stock price can go up 500%, 600%, 700%, you don't know. Because when Bitcoin prices will skyrocket, their revenues will skyrocket, and that will cause a massive jump in their stock price. Now, in a few quarters, we will also see if they are able to reduce electricity costs using their proprietary technology or programs. And that in turn can also fuel stock price, upward stock price move. So I'm very interested to see where this will take us. I'm very interested to see what Cleanspark will do, because they're very unique. They're not only Bitcoin mining operation, but they also use their proprietary programs for electricity grids, because they're saying that because also with addition of electric vehicles, that our grids will not handle the stress, because the electricity consumption is increasing so dramatically that the supply will not handle it. And they are developing programs that can help the grid stabilize so that there will be no outages. So we have very interesting company. Thank you for listening to me. I think that we will see Cleanspark at $150 next year if Bitcoin skyrockets. And let me know down in the comments, what do you think? What kind of prices will we see? Bye!